how to change WhatsApp number without losing any chats. So if you don't want to lose any chats of your WhatsApp and if you want to change your number, then open up your WhatsApp, go for the upper right which has that three dots icon, tap on settings, and from here you can choose account option. Tap on account and here you will have change number option, right? Tap on change number and here changing your phone number will migrate your account information or groups and settings. So before proceeding, please confirm that you are able to receive SMS or calls at your new number. So make sure your new number is activated and you receive your calls or SMS on that number. And if you have both a new phone and a new number, then first change your number on your old phone. So to change your number, tap on next, which is on the bottom, and here you need to enter your old phone number with your country code and then the new phone number with the present country code. So enter your old and new phone numbers and then tap on next and you will get the code to your phone numbers. And once you verify your phone number by entering the code, your phone number will be changed. So that's how you can change your WhatsApp number without losing any chats. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.